Hey guys, have a Bitubo shock here today for an SR50R Aprilia. So I just thought we'd do a quick unboxing and a show through and show you how absolutely beautiful this thing is. Alrighty, so this is everything you get in the box. So a relatively detailed manual here, a little adjuster pin to put into the screw here, and the actual shock itself. So like, to be honest, one of the best sales points of this shock is the actual shock itself. The quality is absolutely stunning. So the end there is like a CNC aluminium, obviously a two-stage spring as well, gas pressure adjustment up here with the bush, and fully adjustable as well. So I've personally ridden an SR50 with one of these shocks on it after the standard Aprilia shock had been removed, and there is a huge difference in the way the bike feels. Certainly, if you've ridden a bike before with upgraded shocks, you'll know it's kind of difficult to explain the difference in the way that it feels, but it just seems to really grab the road quite fiercely, as opposed to the standard shock tends to feel a bit more soft and less predictable. So really beautiful quality shock, and a direct fitment to the SR50R, and it's also available for the SRMT Aprilia and the Piaggio Typhoon 50 as well. So definitely worth a spend, certainly if you're someone who intends on tuning your scooter and taking it up for a good Sunday or Saturday ride, and being able to actually handle the corners as well as just going fast in a straight line. So really nice quality shock, and definitely worth a look for your SR50R, SRMT or Piaggio Typhoon.